Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Arya Verma if you are watching this channel for the first time and this is Vogue 2. So today I will be shooting a makeup video like how I do it. Many people were asking me about the blush. So that's all about it for today and let's get started. And before we start, please pardon me for my face because actually I'm really not feeling well. So please pardon me. I have washed my face and now I'm using toner and this is from the Plum. I don't know if you can see it. Let me spray it all over my face. Oh god, it feels so refreshing, like you can see my face. And actually I'm going through a treatment, for my acne marks. So it's a little irritating for me and I'll be back after it's dried. Now the toner is dried, I'm using the moisturizer and I have oily skin, so I'm using this Plum one. It has a gel like formula. So those who are using this, they might be knowing what it's like. So I'll be putting this now. Now moisturizer. So guys, now the moisturizer is done. Now the real makeup I'm starting. So for the base, I'm using this Inside Pore Minimizer primer and blah 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 whatever it says. So I'm using this one for the base. So let me apply it first and I will show you. So I have applied the base. Now I am using this BB cream from Pond's and it's in shade natural, and I guess you can go for the ivory if you are on the fairer side. I am on the medium one, so I'm using this shade natural. You can find it anywhere in the online Purple Nika on the local store. And if you are from the from other country, then I don't know about that, I'm so sorry for that. So let me apply it first in the dot form. So now I applied this in the dot form. It can be a little messy, and this is baby cream, not foundation, and I'm not going to use any kind of brush or makeup sponge, just my fingers, so don't mind. Let me finish this, then I will show you. So now I have blended my baby cream, and now I'm using this concealer plus contour. It's a duo stick from the brand Swiss Beauty. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, sorry for that. So let me sculpt my face from this, then I'll show you. So I have done my part and right now I'm looking like a joker. So let me blend this one, then I'll show you. Now I have blended my makeup and I'm going to set this matlab, you know what I mean, using this powder. It's a setting powder from Pond's. I'm using this, so let me do it first. So here I'm using like this. Let me complete this first, then I'll show you. So now I have set my makeup and now I'm using this white kajal, and I don't know what brand it is because I got this for free with all the stuff I ordered. So I'm using this one. Let me complete this first. It instantly popped up my eyes. Wow. So here it's done and now I'm going to apply liner. So here's a liner, and I bought it from the local store. I don't know what brand it is. So again, I don't know the brand. Don't mind, please. Let me put this first because I can't do this in front of camera. Actually, I need mirror, and here I'm not having. So now the liner is done, and it's time for the mascara. So I'm using this one from the brand Ronzil. I don't know if you know this brand because it's a small brand, and it's 2-in-1 mascara, length plus volume. As you can see, step one and step two. Oh my god, it's shining a lot. I don't know if you can see it or not. I guess yes, a little bit you can see. So I'm only using this top one. I mean step one, not the step two. So let me apply it first. You can see the difference, like this one looks a little more good. So I am putting this on my lower lashes too. I guess you can see a little. Now let me finish this one. So now both my lashes are done, and now it's time for the tint. I'm actually not using the blush. Instead I'm using this time lip and cheek tint. So as I told you, I'm not using blush, and instead I'm using tint. So this tint I'm going to use, it's from the brand Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint, and it's in shade Cherry. So let me try this. Well, I like tints, but not a lot because I'm not so good in handling them. Oh my god, I forgot something. Wait a minute. I forgot to tell you guys, before I apply tint, I actually use this Vaseline to moisturize because the tint is a little drying, and my lip skin just peels out a little bit chapped. I feel a little chapped one. So let me apply this first. My god, sorry guys. Wait. You know what? This is a Korean brand, and there was a hype about this. Like it looks so pretty, and you know what? My friends were buying, and I was like, why not? Let me try this one also. Why not? So I got this for about 408 rupees. It was on a sale, and so let's try it. And what do we call it? Actually, I'm not so fluent in English, so please pardon me for that. And what I was saying, leave it. Sorry. So here I'm going this with this one. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. You can see the color. It all. And I'm using it for cheeks too. Why not? Because I'm not using blush, as you know. I told you so many times. See the color, guys. Wow, my god. And like, see this one and this one. This one looks so pretty, and this one looks a little too bland, plain type. You know what I mean? So, for a more younger look, I put this on my nose too. So, wait, let me complete this. Huh? So now this cheek is done, and I am putting this on this one too. Actually, this dries so fast that you don't get enough time to blend it, and sometimes it leaves a patch too, so it's really difficult for me to blend it. Look, now I got it's even now, but this one looks a little more. I guess I put this a lot on the side and a little less on this one. Wait a minute, I'm trying hard to make it even, but I don't know why. And how can we leave the nose? Why not? Look, all my fingers are stained. Actually, I saw in a video that before we put this, after putting it for like 1 or 2 seconds, we wipe it. But I didn't wipe it. I just left it like that only. So that's why. But still, yeah, I guess it looks pretty. I like it. Let me put it one more stroke here because I guess it's a little too light for me. Yeah, it's done. Wow. I mean, so here the makeup is almost done, not completed. So the last thing I do is going with this highlighter to obviously highlight my high points. So again, I'll say not using any brush, sponge, nothing, just my fingers. I mean, stained fingers, so don't mind please. And I'm using this shade because it obviously matches my skin tone. Let me do, like you can see. Actually, I do my makeup with in this way only. I don't know why many people were asking me about the blush. Actually, I was having one more blush, but I lost it. I don't know, and never got it back. And I'm on a tight budget right now, so I didn't buy new one. I hope you guys will understand this one. And one last thing I do is look, like this is how I do my makeup. And I'm sorry for my bad skin, but I don't like putting filters on my skin just to put one more layer of this makeup. I'm sorry, but this is how I look before and after. I know I've changed, but what we can do is just highlighting my high points. This is it's going right now. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to tell you the brand of my highlighter palette. So this is from the brand Huda Color Radiant whatsoever, and it's my old palette, so I guess the alphabet's a little, you know, I don't know what to say. Or again, I got stuck. I'm really sorry. So now the makeup is done. Everything. I'm using this makeup fixer from the brand Mars, as you can see, and again I will tell you I have oily skin, so and everything I used is on the matte side, powder side. I didn't use anything on the cream or something like that. I hope you can get it. You're my subscribers, I know you guys will understand. So it's time to put this on. Let's shake it. Wait a minute, let me complete this first. So I guess it's completed, and I'll just roll around so it will get dry eventually. So that's all for today, and this is how I do my makeup. Everyone was asking me especially about the blush. There's nothing special about it. Actually, I lost my palette and now I'm using the tint one, but I guess it still looks good. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Help me reach 1K, and please guys, I'll try to make better content instead of lip sync, and more something about my life and vlogs and everything fun, you know what I mean. So that's all for today. See you guys, and love you so much. Thank you.